Okay guys, so good morning and welcome to our online session week 4. The idea of this session is to practice the use of the present perfect continuous as you did it during the week in the platform, but in this class we are going to do it making a comparison between the present perfect simple and the present perfect continuous plus the present perfect passive or passive present perfect. So, how are we going to do it? Firstly, we have to remember that we use the present perfect simple when we have a completed situation, and these situations focus on the results. And we use the present perfect continuous when we want to talk about the continuity of the action. Okay? So, to practice this, we are going to play a game, and the game is very similar to Pac-Man, and it is very exciting. So the idea is that you're going to guide me, yes, to guide my toy, and in order to find the correct answer. Okay, so here we go. You can guide me. Okay, so here you have the sentence: we looked everywhere the keys, but we don't find it. Okay, so you have to guide this toy. We are the red toy, and you have to guide him in order to find the correct answer. Yes, so you give me the directions in order to look for the correct answer to complete the sentence. Okay. Oh my gosh, so that can happen also. So you have to be very careful with the instructions in order to find the correct answer. Okay, so you see, and here we have so many similar answers, so we need to read carefully for the options. You see, in order to find the correct answer. You see? So the first thing you have to do is to read the options, the sentence and then the options. So she, lived here all her life. So this can be like oh my gosh, we are in a encrucijada. I don't know how to say that in English, but in here the idea is that you find a way. We can do it again, but we are going to do it this time in a good way, so not to lose time. Okay, let's do it. So, the passive voice: the enemy captured the city. Okay. Okay, so we have to escape from them. No. Okay. Yes, that's the correct answer. The city was captured by the enemy. Very good. Then we have second sentence. Passive voice. Los egipcios han construido las pirámides. So, read the option, sorry. Yes, you got all of them? Sí, listo, ya las leíste todas. So now give me the correct answer. Okay, I will wait. Okay, the pyramid. Oh my gosh. Yes. No. Have been built by. Okay. Hi, no. Okay. No, it wasn't. So, oh my gosh. What was the mistake? That in here we don't have the article there, but we have he. So that was the mistake. So the pyramids have been built by the Egyptians. Yes, that's a good one. So you have to be really, really careful. The next one. Ooh. So she, lived here all her life. So we already checked this. Okay, so which is the answer? Yes. Very good. Has lived. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. No, down. Oh, that was a mistake. A huge mistake. No, now we have to finish. We have to finish this. Yes, do it again. Yeah, we have to. We cannot lose. The idea is that you give me the correct answer. Okay, here we go. Again, we already did this one, so it will be easy for you. Have looked. Excellent. Ooh, very nice, very nice. Excellent, very good. The next one. The enemy captured the city. Passive voice. Okay. Which one? Which one? Quickly. Which one? Oh my gosh. Almost. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, excellent. The city was captured by the enemy. Next. Okay, almost done. Okay. Okay, I got you. Have been investing. Yes. Okay. Yes. Like the song says. Claro que yes. Oh my gosh, no, up. No. Oh, almost done. Yeah, I know, it's very, very exciting. The next one is the most passive voice. Okay. Okay, I got you. No. Okay, excellent, because we already did it. That's a good one. Excellent. Almost done. Cook. Okay. You got me? Okay. Have been cooking. Sure? Yes? Okay. Yes. Excellent. Very good. The next one. Ta. Passive voice. The scientists have created a new medicine. Okay. Which one? I'm running, yes. No, it isn't. Okay. Has been. Okay, I got it. I got it. Almost, almost. No, by me, no. By scientist. Oh my gosh. Okay, okay. By has been created. Okay, okay. This new medicine has been created by scientists. Yes. I know it's confusing. I know. Sometimes sometimes you read so fast and you didn't realize which one. She that place for many years. Has been working? Okay. No, down. And here is have in plural. Yes, that one. Okay, down, 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 down. Almost done. Hey. Excellent. She has been working. Very good, very good. The next one. Live here all her life. Ah, we already did it. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes, we already did it, so it is not difficult for you. Has lived. Ooh. Oh my God. It did it. I know sometimes it's difficult. Okay, we have I play soccer so far. Okay, which one? Okay. Have play. Okay, I got you. Yes, but we have to run here. Okay. Excellent. That's it. Oh my gosh. No! Wait, Jose. Oh my gosh. No! We have lost. So you have 8 points out of 10. Okay? Out of 9, sorry. So we only have got one missing. Okay. We can try, but it will take time. So we are going to do it again, and the idea is that we finish this. But you have done a very, very nice job. Okay, let's do it again.